Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Mosi Womeka. Today I'm going to be talking about natural products that you can take that will help you increase your libido. Sex is meant to be enjoyed. People don't like to talk about it, but they go behind and try to do everything to make sure that they get satisfied sexually. And you as an individual, you should enjoy it, your partner should enjoy it. And these products that I'm about to talk about, they will just help you. Just naturally, you want it and you will enjoy it. The most common one, guys, go and try it. When you take it, have a glass, give your husband a glass. You guys, and it's not something that is immediately that you take it or you can, no, it's not. So now you see this tiger nuts, coconut dates mixture, the drink, when you blend it together. At the end of this video, I'm going to attach a video by All Nigerian Recipes, Flo Chinyere. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box. I wanted to do the recipe also and show you guys, but it's basically the same thing. So why it's the same thing, guys? So I just attached the video and I'm leaving the link to the video in the description box, so you can just go watch it. You do it, you take it, you drink it. It's nutritious and you enjoy your life. That is it. So tiger nuts, dates, coconuts, confirmed. If you have Hausa friends, ask them questions. These girls, they know all these things. They will teach you. You'll be shocked at some of these herbal things that are good for the body. Natural herbs, natural plants that they use. Get you a Hausa friend. They will teach you all these things, honestly. So guys, this is just a short clip from her channel. This is the tiger nuts, and also here is the coconuts that we're going to chop into pieces, and also the dates. You wash it properly and then you remove the seed. The seed of the date is very hard and it can actually spoil your blender if you don't get it out. So the seeds, you remove it out and then you chop it into very tiny pieces just to make everything blend properly. So you can see how she's chopping it here, and she poured everything into the blender. The tiger nuts, the coconut also chopped, and the dates. So everything is here and water is being added to aid the blending process. And then by the time you finish blending it, it will come out looking like this. Okay, and then when you finish blending it, you sieve it so that you move all the shafts. By the time you sieve it here, you can see how creamy it is, how thick it is. And what she did, if you watch the full video, is that she blended this shaft again by adding more water. Please guys, go ahead, go to her channel, watch the full recipe. And then when she finished squeezing out all the juice, she sieved it again just to make it very, very smooth, and so you don't feel any shaft of all the ingredients used initially. So head over to our channel, make sure you do this thing, make sure you take it. It's very, very, very nice and it's very, very helpful. I know that there's going to be an improvement. I know something is going to be different, what you feel, because it's just going to make you want it more. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. Support me, please, guys. Support my channel by subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.